Wow, what a great morning. Full moon. Kind of bad news because maybe the fish were feeding all night, aren't going to be hungry until later, but it sure is nice. Got enough breeze where there's not a bunch of bugs. It's August. Should be some snook and tarpon around, but I don't care. As long as I bend a rod and I get to be out here, it's pretty nice. Pretty nice. But I got some great finger mullet on a bobber over there. I'm gonna start pitching it up against these mangroves and see what I can't find. Like I said, hopefully it'll be snook and tarpon around. I haven't seen any tarpon yet, which is bad because they usually show themselves gulping for air. But that's alright. Great day to be fishing. What did I get? Jeez. Whatever it is. It's angry. What is it? What is it? Oh, ladyfish. Jeez. Big one now. Big old ladyfish. Come here. Let me get you off of here. Get you on your way. God, big one now. Look at that guy. Jeez, he's got to be, let's see, 20 something, probably 22, 23 inches, maybe 24. Big guy. Thanks for pooping on my boat. Alright, get out of here. Oh, looks like another ladyfish. But this one's a jumper. Oh no, it's a baby tarpon. He looked like his cousin. Tarpon and ladyfish. Gosh. Both real fun, but you can't eat them. Oh, he got off. Oh. Bull shark missed it. Tarpon picked it up. I'll take that any day. Any day. Oh, these little guys are so much fun. What you doing? You jumping again? What you doing? There you go. Boy, this guy is... Whoa, hey now. Come on, buddy. Oh! He got off right at the last second. That's alright. That was awesome. Nice. Another little baby tarpon. Oh! You gotta like tarpon. Where's he at? 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 There he is. No, not done. Come here, buddy. Whoa, hey now. Still not done. Feisty. Come on. There he is. Perfect size. Nice little jumper. Alright, Mr. Tarpon. Thank you very much. We'll see ya. Get bigger. God, so slimy. Well, that's about it for me today. It's about probably 9 o'clock. But I can't fish for much longer, but that's yeah, that's about 3 hours. I got out here before the sun came up, so pretty decent. You know, once the bite started, it was hot and heavy for maybe I don't know, 20 minutes or so, 30 minutes, and then yeah, just kind of stopped. But that's summer fishing for you. You know, this water gets hot pretty quick, I think, and you know, they just move, I think, to cooler water, so you really just got to find them in deep holes or something like that. But on the flats, and they just seem to disappear. It's the strangest thing to me, but happens all the time. But I think that's it for today. So go to www.fishyourassoff.com. You want to see more of this kind of information, but that's it for today. So until next time, we'll see you then.